So you want to know how to hide or delete your YouTube channel? Let's get straight into it. Starting on desktop first, head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged in as the channel that you want to delete. Now click on the profile picture in the top right and open up your YouTube dashboard. Here you want to go down to settings in the bottom left and then hit the channel tab. From the options here, go to advanced settings, then scroll right down to the bottom until you see the option to remove YouTube content. Now, before we go any further, you need to realize that deleting your channel is 100% permanent and irreversible, which means you're going to lose all of your channel data forever. So that means your videos are going to be gone, your comments are going to be gone, and you will lose all of your subscribers and you cannot get them back. So if you just want to temporarily hide your channel instead so nobody can see it, then you do have another option. Go ahead and select remove YouTube content and you'll then be asked to log into your account again. And here you can now see two options. One is to hide your YouTube channel and the other to permanently delete your content. So by choosing to hide your YouTube channel, you'll make your channel name, your videos, your likes, your subscriptions, and your subscribers all disappear until you enable your channel again later. But one thing you will lose is all of your video comments. You can't get them back. So this is just a really good option to know about if you're not 100% sure about deleting your entire channel. So if you want to go ahead and do this, just tick all the boxes and select hide my channel. But if you're still sure that you want to remove your channel completely, then you need to select the second option in the list, which is going to get rid of all of your videos, your channel, and your entire YouTube history. So if you're happy with that, just tick all the boxes and select delete my content, and you will then no longer have a YouTube channel. But if you have made it to this point in the video and you still have an active YouTube account, leave this video a like and let's move over to the process on mobile. Now I'm doing this on iOS, so things might look slightly different on Android, but roughly it should be the same. What you want to do is open up the YouTube app, again making sure you're logged in as the channel that you want to delete, then select your profile picture in the top right and select manage your Google account. Now in this next menu you want to select data and privacy and keep scrolling right down until you see delete a Google service. When you select this, you'll most likely be asked to enter your password and verify your account again. And once you have, you will see a list of the Google services connected to your account. So as you can see, there's a YouTube account and my Gmail, both of which have a trash icon right next to it. So if I select the one next to the YouTube icon, I just need to log in once again. And here you can see the two main options that we saw on desktop. So to hide your channel, select that option, tick all the boxes and hit hide channel. Or to permanently delete all of your content and your channel, tick all of these boxes here and hit that blue button. Now, it's also worth knowing that it can take a few hours to completely delete your channel from YouTube, so don't be too worried if you see some of your thumbnails appearing on the platform. It just takes some time. And remember that this process only deletes your YouTube channel and not your overall Google account. Now, if after all that you've had a change of heart and you still want to grow your YouTube channel, then you should definitely check out this video next about how I got my first 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys over there.